Nwosu Janet. And I'm the customer service representative of Zacrac Learning. Thank you for calling Zacrac Learning. My name is Janet. How may I assist you today? Sometimes I can just say hello. My name is Janet. Thank you for calling Zacrac Learning. May I know your name and where you're calling from? You'll be wondering who is that voice you hear when you call our customer service number. It's me, Janet. Yeah, that's me, Janet. I'm the voice you hear whenever you call. And the voice that's always there to assist you at any time, so that's me. It's nothing really much to know. I'm just a fun-loving person. I like to play. At the same time, I can also be serious when I want to be. I love learning. I love exploring. I like taking risks. And during my free time, I like to sleep. Or maybe I just probably go to the beach, a quiet place. My first color, I love red. Yes, I love red and yellow. I'll be bright like the morning sun. Have you seen? Maybe they say yellow flower. Yeah, I like to sleep, or probably them. I like going out, but I'm very lazy to do that. Maybe you need to just drag me out from the bed. But when I'm out, I'm fun. Yeah, it's been wonderful. It's been fun. The environment has been really nice, friendly. Not being toxic. You get to say your mind, so there's no much pressures and all of that. So it's been fun and exciting, and also fun trying to learn about data. So I love meeting people. I love learning about people. So the customer service makes you to learn different kind of people we have. You can have the friendly type. You can have people that are very, arrogant. You get to learn how to manage people. So I think with that, it has actually helped me to learn how to manage people, even outside work area. So it's been fun. And another thing I love about customer service is the fact that you make your customer satisfied. That joy you get when a customer tells you, "Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it." It gives you that fulfillment that, wow, I'm able to solve someone's problem. I don't think it's boring, because every day you get to meet different kind of people. Your day to day can be different from your day the next day. So I don't think there's any boring part. I don't know. I think maybe I'll just probably make education very important. But there's nothing you can do in one day. Maybe become a president. Maybe you share money. When you share money to everybody, you make everybody happy. You carry the national budget and share to everybody, that everybody will be happy. That's the only thing you can do in a day. So I don't know. I would say I'm not an introvert. I'm an extrovert, because I can just go anywhere and I talk to anybody. I'm not scared, or I'm not shy, or something like that. I'm always here, that Janet that is always here for you. Even when you call me after past working hours, I'm always still there for you guys, trying to ensure that I get what you want, trying to see that whatever complaint you give to me, I kind of ensure that it's solved. So, and I feel so happy whenever you tell me, "Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate your time. And if you have any query, any complaints, any inquiry, feel free to reach us out on our live chat on the website, or you could reach us on our WhatsApp number. The number is also on the website. You can reach us on Twitter. You can reach us on Instagram, on Facebook. Yeah, and also on our support email. I'm always there to respond to you as quick as possible, at the speed of light. All right, thank you so much. Peace out. Come and learn data science or data analysis on Zacrac Learning. That's the best place you should learn. I don't know where else you want to go and learn. Learn at Zacrac Learning.